While studying the Dharma, we should always keep in mind the four metaphors. The Flower Garland Sutra says, "Noble one, you should think of yourself as a sick person, of the Dharma as the miraculous medicine, of your spiritual teacher as a skillful doctor, and of diligent practice as the way to cure the illness. First, think of yourself as a critically ill patient, constrained by karma and defilements since beginningless time. The Dharma as the medicine which can cure your diseases, the qualified teacher as a skillful doctor, and your diligent practice as the medical treatment." It is very important to think in these ways when studying and practicing the Dharma. If you think of the teacher as a doctor, or the teacher as the Buddha in accordance with the teachings in other scriptures, then the teachings will definitely bring you benefits and eliminate your illness of negative karmas and afflictions.